Hello, 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 and welcome. I gotta tell you, I got some beats back again, and we're gonna do swing. I have an exercise for you. It's minor third. It's the wrong time. Now, on the high note, I slur sometimes, because that's swing. It's the wrong time. So I'm sort of, but I'm not hitting an exact note. I'm slurring on it. So if you slur with me, oh, it's okay. Ah! When I'm doing this, okay, I am not being loud. I'm sort of, it's the wrong time, but I'm not, it's the wrong time. I'm not pushing because this certain exercise doesn't call for that. So you're going to be in a mix, you're going to be in a falsetto, you're going to be in head voice. Take it nice and easy. I'm going to go down a few. Okay, here we go. Oh, there he is again. Or she. I'm not quite sure who are you. So I'm not pushing it. It's the wrong time. You can do that too. You can slur it off. All right, so not pushing. Keeping it nice and smooth. We're going to go back down. Okay, we're gonna start over. Here we go. It's the wrong time. It's the wrong time. It's the wrong time. It's the wrong time. Little chest. It's the wrong time. It's the wrong time. It's the wrong time. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm feeling like doing vibrato on the third note. Then I'm feeling like just keeping it straight on the high one. Vibrato is the movement, or straight. And I have other videos on how to make vibrato. So we're not going to get into that today, but you can mix it and match it. Just remember when you're doing swing, as with others types of music, you want to pull and push with your sound. You don't want to, it's a long time, it's a long time. It's all one level. It's a long time. Pull and push. I pushed some of the notes and I pulled some of them back a little bit. I can't give you anything but love, oh baby. So I got louder, I got softer, I pushed a little bit. Okay, variety is so important with this. You really have to feel it. So swing, so this type swing is nice and smooth. We went up, not doing it loud. I came back down. We did some chest voice. How did you do it? Did you use chest voice when you were lower and then all of a sudden have a, she's going high, and then you had a big changeover? Well, then lighten up early. I say this whenever you do long exercises, you have to be cautious. And when you've got a song, the same thing. You can't just push the voice, push it, all of a sudden have this difference. You have to blend it in. So in this one, you didn't want to push. Earlier, you lighten up. Do it again, try it and see. We didn't go down that far. My drummer stopped. We didn't have to go down far. It's just getting the whole idea of swing. This type swing is very smooth, very easy. We don't push it, okay? And always remember, keep the body up. If you're going to have a high note and a hard note, keep the body up. Otherwise, you can sing with your body down, bending over, leaning back. You can do it whatever way, but when you have something that's hard, you want to hit a note, get the body up, okay? What's the takeaway? What did you learn? Where did you have some questions about doing swing? Oh, tell me in the comments below. I love to hear from you. Also, you can check out the song I Can't Give You Anything But Love. I did it, and it doesn't have a video with it. It just has me standing there with a microphone. But you'll get an idea of pushing that I can't give you anything but love, baby. So I'm singing loud. I scat in it. So much fun. Singing is. Release the endorphins. Okay? So, have a great day. Have a great singing day. Because, you got to subscribe, ring the bell. I almost forgot. It is, let's see, such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Oh, this drummer has a mind of his own too. It didn't really go with the exercise per se, but I had it here and I figured, let me show you some swing and do it. But when it is with it, everything fits. And in the song, I Can't Give You Anything But Love, everything does fit. Great musicians. Okay. Bye. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye.